Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to log into Google Classroom using your school email ID. This straightforward process ensures you can quickly and efficiently access your classes, assignments, and all the resources provided by your institution. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you typically use to browse the internet. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Google Classroom website by typing classroom.google.com into the address bar. Allow the page a moment to load before you proceed. Once you reach the Google Classroom homepage, it is time to enter your school email address. This is usually provided by your school and often looks like your name at school.edu. Be sure to type it in correctly, as even a minor typo can prevent a successful login. After entering your email, click the Next button to move to the following screen. Now, you must enter your password. This might be a password given to you by the school or one you set up previously. Type it in carefully, paying close attention to capital letters and special characters since passwords are case-sensitive. Once your password is entered accurately, click Next again. If this is your first time signing in with this school email, a prompt may appear asking you to accept certain permissions. This step is vital for allowing Google Classroom the access it needs to function properly with your school's account settings. Go ahead and click Accept so you can begin exploring the features of your classroom. After accepting these permissions, you should arrive at the Google Classroom dashboard. This is the central hub where you can view or join your classes. If a teacher has already added you, the class will be listed here. Simply click on the class to enter it. However, if you do not see your class, you might need a class code from your teacher. To join using a code, locate the plus symbol in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and select the Join Class option from the drop-down menu. A box will appear asking for the class code. Enter the specific code provided by your instructor into the space and then click Join. There you go. You have successfully joined your class. You are now ready to navigate your studies on Google Classroom using your school ID. This platform is a great way to stay organized, track assignments, and communicate with teachers and classmates. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you on your academic journey.